No.
It's really bouncy.
It's bouncy, yeah. Hey guys, here I am with Sebastien, my little guy, and we received a package from Banggood. Banggood sent us a truck. They give us three choices. Yeah, not three, but three choices to choose. And Sebastien picked this one. You ready to see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Because you don't know what it's looked like because I cheated and I looked already.
I know what it is.
I know you know what it is, but you don't know what the box looks like. So it's the transponder TER-6.
Really cool box.
Yeah, the graphics on it are good. And it is for age
8 plus.
8 plus.
Cool.
The box got a little dent on it, but everything's fine. So let's take it out. It's going to be a little noisy, but
Oh, it's already built.
yes, it's already built. This one you don't have to build.
Good.
And it comes with a roof,
Rooftop.
a big instruction book.
Really big. 8 plus again. Look at that.
Yeah, there's a little graphic of a guy driving his car around the path. It does come with a USB charger for the charging up the battery. I guess a little Phillips screwdriver was in this bag before. She's all taped up. And where are all my knives? Sorry for the noise. Here we go.
Oh, a really nice body. It's tiny. It's super tiny.
Yeah, it's small compared to the other trucks we have.
Oh yeah.
Like your Gen 8. It's got the windshield that pops up and pops down. It's got the roof.
Oh.
It's got LEDs. It's got suspension. So it's way smaller than the other ones we had.
Oh yeah.
This is the 6-inch figure that we usually use on all the trucks. So for him to fit in there, it is going to be tight. But keep in mind, they do say this is a 1/10, and I believe it's about the right size. For the simple reason, the Willys was actually only an 80-inch wheelbase and only 49 inches track base. So when you compare it to today's vehicle, the Willys was a very small Jeep. It was only meant to do some stuff. So we do have a shovel, and I think the shovel can come out. There's a little axe.
Yeah.
And then we have all the roof that goes on top.
Oh.
So let's bring the camera a little closer and we can have a look at this. And you can explain if you want or play with the suspension. Suspension looks good.
Yeah.
What do you like about it so far?
I like the color.
The color. This is where the battery is.
It's like my
yeah,
other truck.
Your other Jeep, yeah. But in smaller format. And this is the controller for it.
The controller is tiny too. Oh no, it's not.
Yeah, we're used to hobby grade stuff.
What?
It's neat, eh? So let's bring the camera closer and let's see what we can do. So just to go over a few things on the truck and on the box for the box art. It does come with a light kit. You do have the controller, 4-wheel drive. It does have nice shocks, and it's got speed conversion, which I believe is the variable speed that you can actually put it on, and it does have variable steering also, and we can actually test that. So that's the box art on it. So enough of that. Let's see the truck. Everybody wants to see the truck. Okay. Lots of nice detail, especially on the dash and inside. Now the guy should fit in there, but it's going to be tricky, but some of the guys will anyways. The Willys was actually configured to be a 3-passenger, so, and some equipment, so 1, 2, 3 passenger. So, and I believe that the rear wheel also can be used as a spare wheel.
That's nice. The switch button.
Ah, Sebastian just found the switch button.
Oh, look at this.
What? Yes.
Really nice.
Chassis mounted servo, which is nice. The details on it is pretty good. Mind you, when you start crawling with this, or if you do crawl, this pumpkin under here is going to get hung up on stuff. But hey, that's the part of playing the game. So
All work.
seems to be pretty good. Want to put the roof on? See what it looks like?
Sure.
Might be tricky.
So we have to put this.
Yeah, there's no instruction on how to put the roof together.
Oh.
But I'm sure we can figure it out. It's got some stuff.
Maybe there. Didn't fit. They fit.
I'm pretty sure that's where it goes. This should go.
Oh, maybe there. Yeah, we found it.
Okay, that one does fit there. Now this should fit right in here. That's true. It's pretty hard. It doesn't fit. Oh, that one did fit.
So we got it.
So the only thing I did is I took my pair of pliers and just around the edges on the tip. And everything worked. It does have some little tiny Velcro parts.
This is really cute.
Yes, it is very cute.
Maybe this like have to go behind the wheel.
No, because see, there's Velcro on the inside. There's Velcro here, so you gotta open up the Velcro and put it into the piece of metal. So it would have been easier to do this before we actually put this on. Go like this, and then you go like that. So this is the only part you actually put in, and then you can actually
It's really hard to put in.
And then here, and I got big fingers, you go around the front. Go around the front. Here you got to go on back here, and you got to attach this little Velcro
On this thing.
on that thing.
I'll do the other one.
You're going to try to do the other one?
Oh, pretty hard.
Just pull it it down. Okay, that's what I'm going to say.
Got it. And after where you put it?
Nou, dan denk je het, hè. Dan dat.
I don't know if I got it. Oh, this is cool. This is the Jeep with a top.
Looks pretty cool.
Just saying, you need 2 batteries for the controller.
That goes in here.
AA.
So when you actually turn on the truck,
Oh, that's cool.
the lights flash until you actually turn on the remote.
I'm gonna turn it on.
As soon as you turn on the remote, everything is binded.
Cool. Can I try?
And then you want to try it? Okay. Go forward slowly.
Really cool.
Okay. Cool. So like you notice, the steering is proportional. So turn slowly. Tourne doucement. No, doucement. Slow. There we go. Now go forward. Now it seems like the front drive shaft is off center just a little bit, so I will be probably taking it off and putting it back on. It probably was not installed properly, but it is pretty good. Go slowly. Now go forward. Go back. Nice. So everything is proportional, the steering. So if you turn right or left, there's no signal light. But it does look good. You got rear lights also for more realism. Go. Yay.
Really cool truck.
So let's build a mountain
Yeah.
so we can test it out.
Let's give it a try. I hope you don't fall.
I hope so too. Keep in mind we did not charge up the battery, so maybe the battery is doesn't have enough power, but it seems to be climbing pretty good. Cool. Yeah, I think we're running out of battery. We took it out of the box, started playing with it, so we have to charge it up and see how it goes. So we'll charge it up and we'll go play outside with it and see how it runs outside. So what do you think about it?
It's really cool.
Yeah, I like the details of it. It's really nice.
Yeah. Can you?
I like the paint job. Little graphics that they put on there. Looks really nice. This roof really gives it character. It really gives it a style that's really nice. And the tire, the rubber, they're okay. Mind you, they are not glued, which is still okay. These tires are not glued, but you won't have the torque that you have in most hobby grade RCs. But overall, the springs, I like the springs. They're actually triple springs, should last a long time. They're triple, but they bend easy. So they did use soft metal, so they've done calculation and all that. So it's a nice job. The remote has a nice soft grip to it. Even though I have very big hand, it is kind of comfortable in my hand. I can use this very much. And it does have the throttle trim, steering trim, and the throttle direction. And of course, your power on button is here. And here's a USB charger. Connected to battery, so let's charge it up. Okay, now we're gonna test it outside to see how it goes. Fix from turning left, you gotta hit the button, steering trim, to turn to the right. One more.
Now we're gonna talk about the truck.
Yeah, we went to take it for a ride. Okay, we just went out for a little trail run on with the truck, and it's a nice old truck. It's kind of cool when it bounces, right?
Yeah.
You're going on the rocks and you can see it boom, 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 boom. It's really nice. The only thing for me is I need a bigger motor. Just to have a little bit more torque. It is a very small motor, but it is what it is. But for scale fun on the rocks and on a very nice trail, it works a-okay. In the grass, how did it go in the grass? Yeah, as soon as you hit tall grass there, it just, it's done. Because the motor is not big enough, or it needs a better gearing for that.
Okay.
So we can maybe work on modifying it and making it better. But this is a good truck to play in the house or play in the gymnasium. It's a very well made little truck, and very scale also. And we did charge up the battery. It took for the first time 3 hours to charge up the battery, and after that it's supposed to be a little bit less depending how drained you put it. But it worked pretty good.
What is my rating?
What's your rating? Okay, but
on 0 to 10.
0 to 10, yeah, but don't think of it as a big truck there. You got to think of it as a toy for a 8-year-old. So what's your rating?
You first.
Me, I think it's a 7. 7 out of 10.
Same.
Oh yeah.
I have the same number as you.
So it is a very nice truck. I like the fact that it does have perpetual turning on it. The only thing on the truck is the size of the motor. Other than that, but that's something that can be changed. If you know what you're doing, it can be modified. And The remote is a little small for me, but for him it's perfect size.
Yeah.
So, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and leave a thumbs up.
Comment if you like it, and comment what is your rating.
Your rating? Oh yeah, comment what your rating for the. What do you think this is out of 10 for a nice little toy truck?
Me and my
control.
dad, it's 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks.
Thanks.
And don't forget to hit that
Bell.
the bell. Yes, I forgot about the bell. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.